In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to OneDrive step by step, so you can store, access, and share your files from anywhere. This is a simple process, but if you've never used OneDrive before, I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft OneDrive. You can type OneDrive into the search bar or go directly to onedrive.live.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already use Outlook, Hotmail, or any Microsoft service, you can use the same login details here. After signing in, you'll land inside your OneDrive dashboard. Now, look for the folder where you want to upload your video. You can upload it to your main OneDrive storage, or you can open a specific folder if you want to keep your files organized. If you don't already have a folder, you can create one first, so your videos are easier to find later. This is especially helpful if you're uploading multiple videos for work, school, or content creation. Once you're in the right folder, look near the top of the page for the Upload button. Click Upload and then choose Files from the menu that appears. This tells OneDrive that you want to upload a single file from your computer. After that, your computer's file browser will open. From here, find the video you want to upload. Browse through your folders until you locate the correct file. It could be an MP4, MOV, or another supported video format. Click the video once to select it and then click Open. As soon as you do that, OneDrive will begin uploading the file. Now just wait while the upload finishes. The time this takes will depend on the size of your video and the speed of your internet connection. Smaller files may upload quickly, while larger videos may take a little longer. During this step, it's best not to close the browser tab or refresh the page, so the upload can complete properly. When the upload is finished, your video will appear inside your OneDrive storage. You should see it listed in the folder you selected, ready to be opened, moved, renamed, or shared. From here, you can right-click the file to get a share link, make changes to its permissions, or organize it into another folder if needed. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a video to OneDrive. It's a quick and convenient way to back up your videos and keep them available across all your devices. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.